What's going on, everybody? Thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Today I have a quick tip for all of you who go to car shows and you just want to get your car looking its best before all of the spectators come and look at it or the judging. And that's the same case with this car. It's headed to a show in a couple days, and the wheels, they're going to get brake dust no matter what because it is a driver. So we're going to show you one quick way to keep it looking its best, and that is by using synthetic quick detail spray. This is one of my favorite quick detail sprays because it easily picks up brake dust, bird droppings, water spots, light dust, or anything else that could land on the surface of your vehicle. Super easy to use, but it's also going to add an anti-static barrier, which helps to basically keep things off the surface because now it's reducing that cling from dust or any kind of water spots. And it's great for that final touch-up, whether you just went for a cruise or you're going to a show or you're at the show, just to get your car looking its best. That's why a lot of people carry one of these in the car. Keep it handy so that you can always touch up those little things like your wheels, because I'm sure I've said it before and I'll say it again, but brake dust is very corrosive and it's very abrasive, so you want to safely remove that, but you want to remove it often so that it doesn't start deteriorating the finish, especially on your wheels, which can be expensive. So removing it quickly in a timely manner is going to help it stay its best for as long as possible. It's also great is because this wheel has large spoke openings, so now we can get all the way to the barrel. This way you see perfectly clean wheels, freshly detailed all the time. Now normally you want to use a black towel because this is going to obviously show all the brake dust, all the grime on there. That's why we color coordinate our towels, but I just wanted to show you what we're pulling off the surface because the wheel looks pretty clean already, but there's always something hiding underneath there. So by touching it up routinely, this is going to keep your car looking factory fresh for as long as possible. So if you guys liked today's video, I know it was short, but drop your comments down below in future videos. Be sure to give it a like. Don't forget to check these products on our website, chemicalguys.com. And we'll see you next time right here in the Detail Garage.